Apparently this is considered a snow day. God. Oh, that's not the point of the video. Anyways, let's get over here. Yeah, I'm going to do a video on this thing. The 2006 Hot Wheels Collector's Kit 20 vehicles to start your collection today. Include exclusively decorated 1969 Camaro Z28. I don't know what that is because I'm not a car collector or Hot Wheels collector. Let's see here. Includes 25 vehicles to race and collect, including one exclusively decorated vehicle, collector case that holds 24 vehicles, a collector's guide, and $10 worth of discount coupons. Something tells me it's not going to do that anymore, but 3 and up, not for use of some Hot Wheels vehicles. So. And this side, it just says the same thing. Bottom is the same thing. Let's see here. Top is the same thing. Side is the same thing. And here's the back. Let's see here. So it's the collector's guide. And several instructions, legal information. It's consumer information. It's from Mattel. Not for... Yeah, it's just a bunch of standard legal and safety information. Alright, let's open this up. Man, this was just... Oh, 2005. Yeah. This has been just lying around my house for years. It's just been in the closet for a really long time, and we just never got the chance to open it. Something tells me it was like supposed to be for me on like my 3rd or 4th birthday, and I was just too young for it. But I'm a lot older than that now, and I'm pretty sure I could do this. This is basically one of my toys now. Yeah. That's basically a toy now to me. But of course, I don't treat it like a toy. I treat it like an electronic device that needs maintenance and I can watch stuff on it. Yeah, I don't really put it to the... Well, actually, I have started, but whatever. Anyways, that's not the part of the video. No easy open tab, so I guess we just gotta tear one side of the box open. Oh, God. I don't want to damage this box. I kind of want to keep it intact. Okay, it's coming. Prehistoric tape coming off. Hold on. I want to keep a good view for you guys. Alright, there you go. It's open. Alright, that's not hard. Just got it open. Okay, I'm probably holding this the wrong way up. Am I? Oh, sorry. I think, yeah, I'm holding this all wrong. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I think I might be holding this the wrong way. Hold on, there's a... Yeah, I might want to... Hold on, sorry for weird camera angles, I didn't bring a tripod with me. The Sledge Factor's one right there. Come on. Oh, sorry. Just leave this out. It's not coming, it's not going very easily. Doesn't want to come out. It's very stiff. Oh, alright, there you got it. Okay, looks like... Alright. I got it to come out, so... Now I just gotta grab the other end of my foot. Start pulling. Oh. Looks like there's wall mats so you can hang this on the wall, too. Adorable. Wow. Okay. Here are I guess the bottom pieces that you attach this stuff to. Here's the main holding piece. Let's see here. Yep, that's just standard shelf. The collector's guide. Here we go. Huh. Wow, I've never really seen this before. Ooh, wow. Oh, the vehicles. Oh, it looks like they're all individually packed vehicles. Oh, looks like literally. I guess they literally just took standard retail vehicles that you would buy separately, put them together in a box with a shelf, and just sold it as a starter kit. Well, I guess that makes sense. Like, this is what usually happens anyways. Oh, it's also one last component here. Here's the shells. Is there a missing logo there? Is there a sticker I'm missing something? Hold on, check. No, so I guess that's supposed to be blank or something? I don't know, there's no sticker anywhere I can see where that would be. So yeah, I guess this comes with a bunch of vehicles packed in the box. Let's start up here. 16. Let's see these vehicles. What's this? What? This. Yeah. I'm not sure these are any special vehicles or anything. I'm not a Hot Wheels expert, and I literally just opened it up, as you see right here. The glue was still intact in the box and everything. I just opened this, so I have no idea if any of these vehicles are rare or just standard vehicles that are really common. All I know is that I'm just opening them up and showing them to you. These are all intact. None of them are opened. I thought they'd just all be like in a cardboard insert. Like maybe there'd be some information cards, but no. They're literally just packed in retail packaging as if they would be sold separately at Toys R Us or something. They just stuffed them in a box. Like, they made no effort to make it look like it was special for this kit. Oh yeah, we just take a bunch of these retail toys right here, just put them in a box, and yeah, we'll just sell as a kit. Whatever, it works. Guess this is the shelf here. Ow. Okay. Hold on, sorry. Rachel cells. Okay, just. I might need to get some scissors for this. Scissors. Let's cut this open here. Try to get you a good camera angle, but I'm not gonna be able to guarantee it. Probably should have got a tripod for this, but I don't want to stop the video right now. Alright. Alright, there you go. That wasn't hard at all. Okay, shells just come right out. Yep, there you go. Yeah, it looks like shells just snap on like this. No instructions, just the little snip on the back. That's all it told me anything. I guess the side with the lip is the right side up, so I'll put this down for a second. Let's see here. Guess she just pushed them right in here. Line the two like this and push. I heard something. Oh, I heard it going. I heard something going. I don't know if it went in or not. That's what I'm asking. How's this supposed to go on? Like, I assume it's supposed to be this way because of the wall mounts, but I can't really get it on there. Will it go on? It won't go. God. Am I even doing this right? I don't know. Let me check the box. Okay, yeah, that wasn't very useful. Okay, I'll figure out how to install it later. Anyways, let's focus on this collector's guide, because that's probably going to be the most interesting part, aside from the vehicles themselves. 2006, let's see here. Got the first editions, 206 track cases. Welcome to the 2006 collection. This book contains everything you need to know to collect all the 2006 Hot Wheels models. Let's see. We'll show you how to collect by segment and by month of which color with color photos of all the segment series models. There are also tests for collecting as well as valuable coupons inside. Oh, hold on, missed something. 2006 first editions. These are the most special cars that are created by the Hot Wheels line each year. They mark the first time a model is ever introduced in the Hot Wheels line. This year, about 38 new models to collect. There's about 3 new models to look for every month. Follow along and collect all the 2006 first editions models for 2006. Yeah, looks like you could check it off whenever you got each one. This is January, March. First editions. Here's a T-Hunt series. And Drift series. Segment series. In 2006, there are 12 segment series to collect, with each segment series contains a different cool theme with 5 new vehicles. Look for new segment series every month with a Generostra series and a Power Niner series. Yeah, not very much. So let's cut to the here are the coupons. Or here collector's tips, mystery cars, calling all collectors to help celebrate the 10th anniversary of one of the most popular vehicles ever made. To customize Volkswagen Drag Bus, so you create a special version of the bus that you can get for free. Here's how you get yours. Simply buy 20 Hot Wheels basic cars at select retailers during each quarter and receive a special mystery car plus a voucher each time. Collect all 4 mystery cars and vouchers during the year and mail in your voucher to get your free bus. Wow, that seems pretty complicated for a bus. Whatever, it's free, but technically, yeah, whatever. And collector's tips. Hot Wheels cars can be highly valuable and collectible. There are over 100,000 estimated Hot Wheels collectors around the world. Probably more than that now. Probably going to like 500,000, maybe even more. I don't know. There could be even more than that, actually. Whatever, I don't know. As you start your 2006 collection, here are some tips to help you find your next treasure. Sometimes cars switch colors during their production. Color change alone can make a huge difference in the rarity and value of Hot Wheels car. Hot Wheels cars have many different wheel styles, and once in a while the wheels will switch on a car to increase the value and collectability of that car. There are a lot of information about Hot Wheels cars collecting in magazines and all over the internet, including HotWheelsCollectors.com, a site dedicated to the series Adult Collector. Yep, series Adult Collector. So those who say that Hot Wheels cars are for kids, this book says otherwise. Anyway, to help you aid along in collecting, we put some fun facts on the backs of our Hot Wheels 2006 cars, so make sure to check them out. And secret segment. In addition to our 2006 first edition segment series track aces and T-Hon models, there are also 8 other cars to collect every month. Check out the entire list to collect for 2006. And here's the list of all the vehicles, which, yeah, custom. And here are the coupons. Oh wow, these have expired years ago. They've all expired December 31st, 2006. It's like March 7th or something, 2018. These have expired over 15 years, like something like 10 years, over 10 years ago. I don't even know if this stuff's still being sold anymore. And things still to change, and here are all the licensing information for the various vehicles. Anyways, that's the interesting part. And here are all the vehicles. The box set that there is an exclusively decorated 69 Camaro. Yeah, I think is this it? I don't know. It says 69 Camaro Z28, so guess this is the exclusive one. Faster than ever, ultra fast wheels. Not exactly sure how they that. Well, I don't see any of the other ones that have this faster and everything on it. Yeah, so I guess this is the exclusive one. Well, I want to try and set up this shelf, and I guess we'll see out later. Alright, so I managed to get 2 shelves installed. Turned out that I was going to press one end in at a time, and I guess I must have been trying to do both. Anyways, it's pretty hard, and I think I might have slightly bent the plastic on one of the clips, but they're both secured in place, and yeah. Getting started on this third one here. They probably should have added some additional instructions. Instead, there's a little clip on the back, though. In order to do it, you just simply pivot one end in to make it easy. Don't try and snap it in, just pivot it in, don't snap. It's be much easier if you just pivot it like that. Then on the other end, all you gotta do is just try and push it in there. Don't go too hard or else you might damage the plastic. I didn't learn that my first time. I might have damaged one though. There you go. Just goes like that. Oh, damn it. Oh man. Oh man, I couldn't have caught that on camera. The clip broke. I guess I'll have to use tape, but I guess. Damn it. It broke. I guess I'll have to fix that tape.